Hello formulators, it's Tasha of Tasha Monet's Formulations. Welcome back to the channel. First I want to apologize for the sound on this video. I have all of my equipment packed away in boxes. And with that said, I just wanted to let you know that I'll be moving next week. I know I mentioned this like a couple of months ago, if I'm not mistaken, that I will be packing up and leaving Louisiana. So that time has come. And I'll be on a flight on Tuesday morning heading to Florida. Yeah, Florida. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I will not be posting any videos anytime soon. I'm going to try to get settled as fast as possible because I enjoy posting my videos, recording them. It's become a nice hobby for me. And not sure when I'll be posting again, but I will be updating you in the community tab when I'll be back. So keep your notifications on so you don't miss out on that. Until then, check out the montage of my past formulations in this video, and I'll see you soon.